Can you keep him, please? I will get the food for him. I will walk him. I will change his newspapers. Nope. Explorers are friends to all, be it plants, orange, or tiny mole. Does that even rhyme? Yeah, it does. Hey, oh, Kevin? What? Get down! You are not allowed up there! You come down here right now! She. Can you believe this, Ellie? Ellie? Hey, Ellie, could I kill the bird? Mm-hmm. She said for you to let me, but I told him no. I told you no, N-O. I see you back there. Go on, get off here, shh. Go anywhere someone else find a why. Hey, are you okay over there? Hello? Oh, hello, sir. Thank goodness. It's not you know someone else is up there. I can smell you. What? You can smell us? I can smell you. Hey, you are talking to a rock? Hey, that one looks like a turtle. Look at that one. That one looks like a dog. It's a dog. What? You are not allowed to have dogs in my apartment. Hey, I like dogs. You have your dog. Whoa, wonder who he belongs to. Say boy, hey, oh, she was trying to shake? Speak, hi there. Did that dog just say hi there? Oh yes! My name is Dog, I have just met you and I love you. My master made me the scholar, he's a good and smart master, and he made me this scholar to say I may talk. Squirrel? My master is good and smart. It's not possible. Oh, is it because my master is smart? Oh, cool, what are these two boy? Hey, I use this collar to talk with. I would happy if you stop. Russell, don't touch that. It could be radioactive or something. I am a good checker. My pack sent me a special mission all by myself. Have you seen a bird? I want to find one and I have been on scent. I'm a great tracker. Did I mention that?